To use Reddit mobile application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use the Reddit mobile app. Now, using Reddit mobile app is quite simple. It's as good as using the Reddit on browser. Now, first things first, you want to download the Reddit application. You can get it on your Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you have. Simply download the Reddit application and you can open it up and log into your account. Once you're logged in here, you'll get an interface somewhat like this, as you can see on the screen. Now here at the home page, you'll be able to see every post there. Now you can upvote the post. If you want to upvote, you want to tap on the arrow icon there that is facing upward, or if you want to devote or downvote the video, you want to simply tap on the downward arrow icon there. Or if you wish to reuse, or if you wish to remove, you want to simply tap again on the arrow icon that you have tapped before. If you want to see or comment, simply tap on comments there and you'll be able to add a comment and view the comment. Or if you want to share, you can see the share icon there, right? Similarly, if you tap on the home option that is showing at the top of your screen as well, you'll be able to filter it according to popular or watch or latest or news. If you want to see the communities post, you want to tap on communities and you'll be able to head into the communities here and you can join communities here. Similarly, if you want to create a post on Reddit, simply tap on plus icon that you can see there on the screen. If you head into chat, you'll be able to start chatting. Get started by tapping the new chat button here on the someone's profile. You'll be able to chat with them. Similarly, you can see the inbox option here. If you want to change any of your profile settings, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and you'll be able to see my profile. If you want to create a community, you can do it from here. And if you want to see your history, you can see the history option there as well, and you can see the saved options. If you want to get Reddit Premium, that is ad-free browsing, you can get it from there. And similarly, if you head into settings, you'll be able to see various sorts of settings. So this way you can use Reddit mobile app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.